Are you ready to dive into the amazing world of physics and learn all about gravity? In this article, we will explore the concept of gravity in a fun and engaging way that is perfect for kids. Let's get started. What is gravity? Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. It is what keeps us on the ground and makes things fall when we drop them. Without gravity, we would float away into space. Gravity is a fundamental force of nature that affects everything in the universe. How does gravity work? Gravity is what keeps the planets in our solar system orbiting around the sun. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravitational pull. That's why we are pulled towards the Earth, which is much larger and more massive than we are. Gravity is what gives weight to objects and causes them to fall when we let go of them. Why do things fall? When we drop something, like a ball, gravity pulls it downward towards the Earth. The ball falls because of the force of gravity acting upon it. This is why, when we jump, we always come back down to the ground. Gravity is what keeps us rooted to the Earth and prevents us from floating away. Gravity in action. Have you ever wondered why the moon orbits around the Earth? It's because of gravity. The Earth's gravity pulls on the moon, keeping it in its orbit. Without gravity, the moon would float off into space. Gravity is also responsible for the tides in the ocean. The gravitational pull of the moon and the sun causes the water in the ocean to bulge, creating high and low tides. Fun facts about gravity. Gravity is what makes things fall towards the ground. The force of gravity is stronger on larger, more massive objects. Gravity is what keeps the planets in our solar system in orbit around the sun. In conclusion, gravity is an essential force of nature that affects everything in the universe. It is what keeps us grounded on Earth and causes objects to fall when we drop them. By understanding the concept of gravity, kids can gain a deeper appreciation for the world around them and the forces that govern it. So the next time you drop something or look up at the moon, remember that it's all because of the incredible force of gravity. Happy exploring, young physicists!